Echelon Smart Connect X Max Bike app. The pros, the cons. Most people assume home cycling is boring, but the Echelon Smart Connect X Max Bike app brings studio-level classes directly to your home. You won't believe the variety and interactive features packed into this app. On the plus side, the app provides live and on-demand cycling, strength and yoga classes, all led by certified instructors. Metrics like resistance, cadence, heart rate and calories burned are displayed in real time, helping you track progress accurately. You can join live leaderboards, participate in challenges, and even race against other riders, creating a highly engaging experience. The app also offers personalized class recommendations based on your goals and performance history. Music integration and motivational coaching make workouts more immersive, while structured programs guide beginners and advanced users through progressive training plans. On the downside, full app functionality is optimized for the X Max bike, so using it with other equipment limits interactive features. The subscription cost for premium content can be a factor, and some users may find live class schedules restrictive depending on their time zone. Internet connectivity is essential for smooth streaming. In conclusion, the Echelon Smart Connect X Max Bike app delivers an interactive, studio-quality cycling experience that combines expert guidance, performance tracking, and social engagement. While equipment and subscription costs should be considered, the app's depth, variety, and motivation make it an excellent choice for home cyclists looking to stay challenged and consistent.